Looking for a dual sport bike that can handle anything from daily commutes to weekend trail adventures? The 2026 Honda XR350R brings back the legendary XR nameplate with modern performance and technology. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're exploring Honda's reimagined off-road icon that's ready to tackle both pavement and dirt with equal confidence. Design. The 2026 XR350R embraces Honda's rich off-road heritage while incorporating contemporary styling. The compact, lightweight design features aggressive lines and a tall stance that screams adventure-ready. The slim profile makes it easy to maneuver through tight trails, while the updated bodywork improves aerodynamics on the highway. Classic Honda red accents pay homage to the original XR series. The upright riding position provides excellent visibility, and the narrow seat design allows riders to easily put both feet down at stops, inspiring confidence for newer riders. Performance. Powering the XR350R is a liquid-cooled 349cc single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth, usable power across the rev range. This motor provides excellent low-end torque for technical trail riding while still having enough top-end pull for highway cruising. The 6-speed transmission offers well-spaced gearing that works perfectly in varied terrain. Fuel injection ensures reliable starts in any weather, and the impressive fuel economy means longer adventures between fill-ups. The lightweight construction keeps the bike nimble and responsive, whether you're navigating rocky trails or urban traffic. Features and technology. Honda has equipped the XR350R with practical features for real-world riding. The digital instrument cluster displays essential information, including trip meters, fuel level, and gear position. Long travel suspension front and rear soaks up bumps effortlessly, while the adjustable settings let you dial in your preferred ride quality. Knobby dual sport tires provide excellent grip off-road while remaining stable on pavement. The LED lighting improves visibility during early morning or evening rides. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda XR350R proves that versatility doesn't mean compromise. It's equally at home on fire roads and city streets, making it perfect for riders who want one bike that does it all. What's your ideal dual sport adventure? Share your dream rides in the comments below. If this review was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your riding community, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.